Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Honda Forza 300 motor scooter, automatic transmission, fuel injected, electric start, 300 cc's, plenty of power for you and your passenger to do some awesome touring in the Bay Area. This bike has only 9,000 miles on it. Beautiful condition. Come on and make your motor scooter dreams come true for just $39.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.